Hello everyone, I'm Mark Stoner and I am coming to you today to show you an exciting new training platform if you are in the chimney sweeping or chimney repair industry. It's called the SureFire Training Academy, and we have also teamed up with National Chimney Supply to bring you a really neat, exciting platform that you can train your technicians very efficiently, very cost effectively, and most importantly, very uniformly. So let me tell you about just a little bit. I have a company in Nashville called Ashbuster's Chimney Service, and I've been in business for about 32 years, and I found that one of the hardest things that I have to deal with is training people. It becomes extremely difficult, extremely expensive, and it's very much hit or miss. Many times I would send people to training and they didn't come back any better for it. I would shut down the company and bring trainers in, and some guys did great with it and many people didn't. And that's frustrating for me. So when we saw this training ability, this platform to put everything on a place and then also be able to watch how well our technicians are doing, it became very exciting for us. Also, I've teamed up, one of my partners is Jim Brewer, who is the head of education for this. And then I have a couple other partners, and we have all put our companies on it and watched how it's helped us do training for our technicians. National Chimney saw this as well, and they are really excited to show their customers a way to become better chimney companies, have less chaos, ideally be more profitable, and become more of the business that most business owners want to run. So let me just explain to you how this works. On this platform, we have got National Chimney's product catalog on here. So everything you could need when you want to order something from them, we've got their catalog right there at your fingertips. Every platform is supported. So iPad, iPhone, Android, tablets, PC, laptop, everything you can get to this system. So here's their entire catalog. If you need to be able to thumb through it at any point, you don't need to have, catalogs running around in your truck. There's everything you need right there at your fingertips. We've also went ahead and put on all of their brochures. So the company brochures are available to technicians in the home from their phone. I'll just look at the Premier Damper Cap, one of their main products there, and I can show the customer right there everything about it. Very exciting, very easy. That's the main thing. Scrolling on down, they also have all their worksheets on here. If you need to do a direct vent install or a liner install or chase cover, you've got all your worksheets right there. I'll scroll up because all these are also PDFs. If you hit the additional references button, everything turns into a PDF, so you can either print it out or email it to people. So everyone has access to this. I'm going to go back to courses. And now here's where the training comes in with our technicians. I struggled for many years with technicians not really learning, and they also did not train the next generation of technicians correctly. Kind of like the telephone game when you were a kid, that you told them one thing, but then a couple generations down, the message isn't the same. The best way to train your technicians is to bring them all back to the same source every time, and everybody gets the same training, and you're going to have less chaos in your business. You're going to have less problems. Your technicians are going to feel more empowered, they're kind of in charge of their own training, and ideally you have a business that you really enjoy running. So in this case, I'm showing you the successful chimney sweep review. We've also teamed up with the CSIA to make their review available. So in this, I'm just going to take you chapter by chapter. So we got chapter 1. You can see we're going to do an 11-minute video. Then there's going to be a 10-minute PowerPoint that is narrated by Jim. And then you've got a quiz after every chapter. So I'm going to open up a quiz real quick. It's got an 80% pass mark. There's no time limit. And let's just hit start over. You see, in this case, you've got a 6-question quiz. Very simple starter, beginners kind of things. But your technicians can go through it and make sure that they are completing the work that you need them to complete. Up here at the top says 0%. I can watch, and so can the technician, and know what percentage of the learning path that they have completed. So you know that, hey, he's 5% done or he's 100% done, and you can make sure that they are really doing the work. Scrolling on down, we've got 14 chapters of the Successful Chimney Sweep with reviews and quizzes. We've got some additional info that we added on for code requirements, a 15-minute video, and PowerPoints. We got level 1 and 2 inspections with videos and quizzes. We also, one of the neatest things I really like is this new tech module. This new tech module is when you have a technician from 0 to 90 days, all the stuff they need to know to get started very quickly for you. So I'm going to go through like safety bag, what they need in that, what they need, how the respirators work and what they need for those, how to set up ladders safely, how to set up the ridge hooks, how to set up the sweeping equipment, protecting the home from dust. Really good basic things everybody needs to know. And then we're also going to start them with some chapters 1 and 4 and some of the basics for the Successful Chimney Sweep program. I'm going to kind of go and show you another thing where we've got, this is the learner view. I'm going to switch to admin view so you can kind of see behind the scenes just a little bit. We have currently 45 active courses. When you sign up for this program, you get 8 to begin with, and then we drop them every 2 months onto the platform so you have continuous programs to learn from. We also have about 156 current users, which means we've been using this for quite a while. We've also used it in our own companies for a while to make sure that it works and it's as good as we want it to be. And we're very excited about it. All the companies that are on it are very excited to use it. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to show you some teams, how the team thing works. These are our teams, and these are some of the companies that we have. So my company in Nashville, we've got it broken down into our Nashville team, and then it's broken down into field staff and office staff. And everybody on here is broken down into that so that we want our office staff to learn the same things our field technicians are learning, so we have a much better, more informed company. Also in this, I'll just show you I'll go back to teams and I'll show you my team here in Nashville. And I have a team leader, 2 team leaders. I have Mr. Kevin here as a team leader of these new technicians. And then I also have a team leader for the office staff. Ms. Tabitha is the team leader, and what they do is they drop the programs onto the people's learning paths, so we make sure they get these done. So again, it's a very robust system. This is also a very quick method, but I'm going to show you one other thing here. I'm going to open up a technician and scroll down here. I'm going to just show you, I can see what he's gotten done. He did the Successful Chimney Sweep chapters. He did some of the quizzes. I can see the dates he did them and how he got things finished. So as an owner, I can make sure that we are getting the most out of this platform. So going back to the top here, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So if you are interested in this platform, how much does it cost? It's $5.99 to sign up. We'll get you set up on the system, and that's for 3 users. So you and 2 others, whether it be office staff or technicians, however you want to use those 3 users. It's $5.99, and then it's just $2.59 a month to keep those 3 users going month to month. There is no contract. You can cancel at any time, but basically it's the cost of a chimney sweeping a month to keep 3 of your people trained. If you need additional people, it's $69 to set them up, and then just $69 a month to keep additional people on the platform and trained. So, but the good news is National has teamed up with us, and they are giving you a $300 credit toward the sign up. So it's just $2.99, and we can get you signed up and at a discounted rate. And we are excited to have you join us. National is excited to show you this platform so you can run a better business, more profitable business. And we hope you like the SureFire Training Academy. Thank you.